Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. The Hanover Buffalo Bayou. This is all new. It just is opening up. Literally, people are literally just moving in. It's just a new, beautiful building, and it's here in the Bayou, Buffalo Bayou section of Houston, Texas. We're going to go inside. We're going to see several things about the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. We're going to see some amenities. The amenities floor is not completed, so it's actually going to be a hard hat that we're going to see, an uncompleted, but we're going to show you everything that's there. And then we're going to see at least one apartment. But this is a really, really early tour to be able to see the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. I'm really excited. I've been trying to get in this building for a while, and it's literally just now, opening up. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or you're ready to take a tour, they've just opened up the tour, go ahead and send me a text. Use the number below. I can do a virtual tour for you, or we can do a live in-person tour as well. Let's now go and talk a little bit about the area. I'm going to walk around and show off this area to you.